What's going on, YouTube family? Man, it's ZX Predator here. First day of spring, and this is just a little short before I possibly lace this with another video. Shout out to Brox from Brox Performance, who, I actually wanted to do a little walk around and let you know what I have from their brand on the bike. So many of you know, if you've been following the channel, will see that I have the lowering straps from Brox, and then I actually did that modification to the link. And if anybody had saw the video where I actually was doing the install, and their customer service top notch, highly recommended. So for SmackDowns and stuff, when we did the run in December last year with Envy King, Moto Mac 650, Slim Thug, on the first set of races, I should have had that all the way down. I did a little better with it strapped down. I was able to launch it, punch that sucker real good, but neither here nor there. Learning. Obviously, y'all know my Alien Head 2 full system. I did that install a while back. Even on my Gen 1 ZX14, had that in there. Obviously, shot a rod when Omar was still alive. He went and did the inspection and saw that the motor was shot. So you got two parts. I do have their block off plates, but I'm not taking the fairings off to get in there. I do want to give a shout out to my boy Mike Fazzino. He was the one when I went down with Zeus, right over there. That he put that in for me. So I have that. And then I also am sporting the lowering links that Mike also had put in. So, pardon the gunk and everything, but I do have their window links in the bike. So, when the time comes and I need to make adjustments, I have it scored and keyed so I can come back to stock OEM height, and I can lower it if need be. So shout out to Brox Performance. Make sure you check them out. Wonderful customer service. I did that for that reason, because they took care of me. Because the story goes, when I got these lowering links, the Brembo and Nesson brackets are different. So at no cost, no extra charge, they allowed me to exchange them. I just paid for the shipping, got it in a couple of days, and I was right as rain. So shout out to Brox Performance. Make sure you check them out and tell them ZX Predator sent you. And I've had nothing but good things to say about them and their products, and I look to do more. I will be looking at getting the clutch mod. I'm working on that right now, actually. So with some military funding, and see if I can get that. And later down the line, because those BST wheels are a little costly, and I don't have a working sponsorship yet, but that will be the next significant upgrade. And I guess I'm a creature of habit and loyal to folks. I like to go with one brand if I can, if I start working on different things, provided that they support them. But that being said, this has been the official Predator, or ZXP from Instagram and all that stuff. Make sure you check out Brox Performance, and I'll see you guys next time.